What is hydraulic systems? Welcome to this presentation on hydraulic systems. Today, we'll explore how they work, their key components, applications, and the advantages they provide. A hydraulic system uses pressurized fluid to transmit force and power. This allows machines to lift heavy loads, control movement, and generate force. At the core of every hydraulic system is Pascal's law, which states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. The main components of a hydraulic system include the pump, which generates pressurized fluid, actuators, which convert fluid power into motion, valves, which control the flow and direction of fluid, and reservoirs and pipes, which store and transport the fluid. The pump pushes hydraulic fluid, often oil, through a closed system of pipes or tubes. When this fluid is directed against a piston or actuator, it creates a force strong enough to move or control a mechanical part, such as a lever, arm, or brake system. Hydraulic systems are widely used across industries. In vehicles, they power braking systems. In construction, excavators use hydraulic arms. In aerospace, they control vital aircraft systems. Manufacturing also relies heavily on hydraulics for machinery and automation. Hydraulics provide several advantages. They can generate very high forces, offer precise control, and transmit power over long distances. What makes them even more efficient is that these systems are compact and lightweight compared to the power they deliver. Finally, Pascal's law is the foundation of hydraulic systems. It explains how applying pressure to a small area of fluid can multiply force across a larger area. This principle is why hydraulics can lift extremely heavy objects with relatively little effort.